Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about the Brother MFC-2730dw with the error cannot detect, put the toner cartridge back in. What's happening is in this new series of Brother printers, on the toner cartridge they have introduced a little microchip which stops you from using non-genuine or refilling your empty cartridge. On the bulk of these chips there is a little battery, so if we go and you can bend the tabs up slightly here, and then the chip simply slides outwards like so. Chip only goes in one way, and just remember it's this way. So the battery can go dead, which then wipes the memory on the chip, and then the chip becomes useless. So all you have to do is grab a chip from any new or any old used cartridge. The chips are reusable, and you simply slide it in. Bend the tabs back down, put the cartridge back in the printer, and straight away the cartridge is recognised and the printer can continue on using this cartridge forevermore. This problem usually occurs after a power blackout, brief or long. It all depends on when the battery on this style of chip is about to run dead. If you try and replace the battery after it's gone dead, the chip is still unusable as the memory on the chip gets completely wiped. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.